Welcome to iTeam. Today we're diving into the Canon EOS M50. Is this compact mirrorless camera still worth it for creators in 2025? The Canon M50, or also known as the Canon Case, its release in year 2018, is known for its sleek, lightweight design, making it perfect for the on-the-go creators. It is weighing just 387 grams. It carries to around. The full articulating screen is game changer for a blogger and anyone who loves flexible shooting angles. However, its plastic body might feel less premium, and it's not with weather salt, which could be a concern for the outdoor shooting. When it comes to image quality, the Canon M50 delivers its 24.1 APS-C crop sensor, capture vibrant and detailed photos, perfect for portraits and landscape. It supports JPEG and RAW 14-bit image format. Has a burst shooting up to 10 frames per second at one shot AF, 7.4 frames per second if you are shooting with the servo autofocus. Thank you for its APS-C crop sensor and the Digic 8 processor. In a video features, the Canon M50 support 4K UHD at 24 frames per second. The 4K UHD has a crop. It is 1.6 times crop. It has no dual pixel autofocus, while Full HD give you a dual pixel autofocus with a 1080p at 60 frames per second. The video format of Canon M50 is MP4 with H.264 with the audio input of 3.5mm microphone input. The autofocus system of Canon M50, it has autofocus type of dual pixel CMOS autofocus only up to 1080p in video, while it has autofocus point 1.3 points depend on the lens. In focus modes, it has phase tracking, zone autofocus, single point autofocus. While in the display and the viewfinder has a 2.36 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder. It's good for focusing, while the screen or the LED has 3.0 inches fully articulating touchscreen LCD. Touchscreen is good for the beginner photographers. The resolution, it has 1.04 million dot. While in connectivity, the Canon EOS has a Wi-Fi ready. It has a Bluetooth but no NFC. The ports has USB 2.0, HDMI Type D or the micro HDMI, 3.5mm microphone jack. Of course, the Canon M50 isn't without its loads. Its EFM mount lens selection is limited, and while adapters can help, they add bulk to your setup. Battery life is average, lasting for about 200 to 300 shots, so extra batteries are must. And if you're buying this for 4K video, the crop factor and lack of dual pixel autofocus might be deal breakers. The M50 stands out with its user-friendly features. The touchscreen interface is responsive. The electronic viewfinder is clear and bright. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make transferring photos and videos to your phone a breeze. Plus, Canon guided menu system is perfect for beginners. True advanced user might find it limiting. So, is the Canon M50 still a good buy? For beginner photographers or casual photographers and bloggers, it is a fantastic choice thanks to its compact size and ease of use. But if you're after professional pictures or need better 4K performance, you might want to consider alternatives like the Canon R50 or Sony ZV-E10. Overall, the M50 holds its ground as a great entry-level mirrorless camera. Thank you for watching. I think see you on the next video.